Hello everyone, welcome back to another video with Mahnoz. Today in this video I want to quickly show you how I use MechApp to plot focal mechanism. First, open the app and then load your data. I'm just gonna open random and just click here. The software give you three useful plots. A triangle diagram that shows whether earthquake are normal, rivers, or strike asleep. A stereonet that help us to understand the general orientation um, and this stereonet includes PNT axes that help us to understand main compression or extension orientation. So as you see, this app is so fast and help us, especially when we have a large data set. Um, like here, it's my data is for one big area. I think around around 100 or maybe more data, something like that. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful day or night. See you in next video. Bye bye.